Serbia is a land full of natural treasures just waiting to be discovered. From the vast plains in the north to the majestic mountains in the south, Serbia is sure to surprise you with its wide diversity of natural landscapes and wildlife. In Serbia, numerous plants and animal species that were almost extinct in other parts of Europe have found their shelter. Rare flowers are hidden in national parks, protected fish species swim in crystal clear rivers, and rare birds soar above the mountain tops. Nature lovers can also discover numerous autochthonous plant types that can only be found growing in these areas. Get to know the magical natural landscapes through numerous activities. Serbia offers you numerous opportunities for hiking, skiing, mountaineering, swimming, paragliding, speleology, cycling, and kayaking. The only limit is your imagination. Experience Serbia.